How do I list the files installed by a deb package? I'm an Ubuntu user and I install packages with the apt-get. For example, after I install the package, there will be files in /usr/bin/usr/lib/hadoop etc. Are there any commands can show out where exactly the package installed its files?
Yes, use the dpkg command like. The converse question, finding the package providing a given file, is answered with e.g. Read more about Debian packaging related tools. PS Ubuntu and other Linux distributions. e.gmint is a derivative of Debian.
You can list the installed files for a package by passing the list file flag to dpkg. For example, if your package is actually named Hadoop 0.20, then
what files are installed on your system varies from package to package. To be 100% sure, you should take a look into the .deb package yourself. Download the package first. First you need to extract the .deb archive. Now this should result in 3 new files, Debian binary, control.tar.gz and data.tar.gz. You're interested in the last one. Now you can extract it as well using tar. Now you can browse the package content freely. Look for any makefiles, install scripts and such like to see where things gets installed.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.